Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking briefly on this Skoda and I'll be doing full service. So one of the reasons I do this video regarding this full service is mostly especially the air filter box. It's a little bit different design. So this is how it goes into the car. So basically there's a bangle clip holding there and there's another one holding here, and there's another one as well. But the easy way to move this air filter box is to move this bangle clip and this clip. Then you need this tool for it, grip plus, and pretty much then the air filter box come off. And to change the air filter for this car, for this air filter box, you need to turn it upside down. You can see this is the top, this is the back. Turn it upside down, move this two screw, then you get access to the air filter box. And also we get access to the engine, the inject and the spark plugs, and the oil filter is just down beneath the car. And then I'll show you briefly, because it's just basically full service. I'll show you just a few video how I change everything. And yeah, keep tuned, keep on following to my channel, and more videos in the link above. Still follow, like for more. Yeah, so all the spark plug all out. So next bit I just have to replace the spark plugs. You can see there, and this one is quite different. Also, when doing this job servicing, it's good to have these two for your oil filters, and I'll put the link in the description where you can buy it from. Yeah, just you can purchase yours on any website or Amazon. Yeah, so all the injectors are in, completely in. So next, and let's just put new air filter box back, put it in, plug the pipe, put that one the side, and so on. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, everything is in, engine starting, running perfectly fine. Yeah. Yeah, like and follow for more. Stay tuned to my channel. See you soon. Bye.